Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your Snapchat account using your web browser. First, go to deletio.app. There, you can find Snapchat and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin by opening your browser and going to the Snapchat accounts portal at accounts.snapchat.com. Log in to your account. I've already done that. Next, tap or click Delete My Account. Snapchat will ask you to enter your password to confirm your choice. Go ahead and type it in. Then tap or click Continue. Your account will now be deactivated for 30 days. During this time, your friends won't be able to contact or interact with you on Snapchat. If you don't log back in within those 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Note: before deleting your account, make sure to save any snaps, chats, or memories you want to keep. Once the account is permanently deleted, all your data will be gone. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now on its way to being deleted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.